How to calculate the forfeited white certificates amount for an energy savings action. The European Directive on Energy Efficiency, through Article 8, requires each member state to set a 10-year energy savings target. This includes the principle of additionality, meaning only energy savings that are additional to other European regulations are eligible. France fulfills this obligation through its white certificate system. The calculation of the forfeited white certificates amount for a given action is standardized and defined by a reference scenario related to the energy-saving action, the target scenario of the action, the adjusted lifespan of the action. Let's define the reference scenario. The reference scenario is a key element for evaluating the energy savings achieved by an action. It is determined based on the nature of the action and serves as a benchmark for measuring energy savings. This reference scenario is defined in Article R221-16 of the French Energy Code. For simplicity, there are three cases to consider. Thermal performance improvements, for works improving the thermal performance of a building's envelope, structure, or existing equipment. The reference scenario corresponds to the average energy performance of the stock. Automation and control systems, or energy recovery devices. For systems installed on existing fixed or mobile equipment, the reference scenario corresponds to the average performance of the equipment stock in question. All other cases. In all other situations, the reference scenario corresponds to the most relevant energy performance level between regulations and available market data. How deemed savings are calculated. Energy savings are estimated as the difference between the annual final energy consumption in the reference scenario and that in the target scenario. The target scenario is the annual final energy consumption of the action implemented, which results in energy savings compared to the reference scenario. These savings are calculated in CUMAC kilowatt-hours, a French term for cumulative updated kilowatt-hours, estimated over the lifespan of the equipment, materials, or services involved. This is achieved by multiplying the annual energy savings by the adjusted lifespan of the action. The adjusted lifespan is calculated using a 4% discount rate. The forfeited white certificates amount is determined based on this method and reflects the energy savings achieved by the action, independently of the level of financial aid sought.